Still on top, Edo State local government election wey shele for the 192 wards for the 18 local governments of Edo State. Our Tori people con carry waka enter Oredo, ikpoba-Okha and Egor local government area to chook eye for the way the election process dey go. For Oredo local government area, the people come out plenty to come vote for the candidate of their choice. Our Tori people con still carry waka go Ugbeku Primary School for ikpoba-Okha, another part of ikpoba-Okha local government area. And at the time when our Tori people reach there, the voters dey on ground to vote for the election, but voting materials no dey available for voters to vote. The APC chairmanship candidate for ikpoba-Okha local council, Sunday Edebiri, con chook mouth on how the election process go. While some of the voters wey talk to our Tori people con talk say belle no sweet dem at all for the way the election dey go.
This is Ward 9 ikpoba-Okha. We are in Unit 3 and 4 now. All of us come out on mass this morning. Our papa, our mama, our children. All of us come out since 7 o'clock. We don't dey feed because the SL chairman told us, even in the meeting, say election will start by 8. But we were surprised. Even at this time we take come now, around there. If you look at the time now, to 5 now, we not see ballot paper, we not see boss, we not see SC officer, we not see anybody. The only thing I dey hear say shooting, so many places. I have some video in my phone now, so we don't know what happen. Whether the governor personally ring me out for this election because I am a candidate. If I say he no say he no go do election, why he go let me go to spend my money to buy form from SEC, to go to do wrong campaign for all the old wards in ikpoba-Okha, Ward 1 to 10, to run all the old unit campaign, unit that is more than 700 units. Then today, to be surprised, no voting in my center. The whole candidate of the All Progressive Congress, there was no voting here at all today. So many other units in ikpoba-Okha. Even before they come that Idogbo yesterday, from Ogba where they go collect and come Idogbo, immediately they come. They don't allow enough of our APC follow the entire other place. If you reach that place yesterday, you have vigilante. We don't even know say that they want you to stay or pray for this election. Vigilante officers don't turn to NEC officers. There were more than 200 inside that Idogbo yesterday night. Until this very morning. You go to wait, make they give you your material for here. Before you know, they say they don't carry out of 7 ballot box, they don't carry one go there. They are not doing the temperature and everything themselves. There are video evidence. I can have a conversation with him twice. To the extent I called him, I said, is this what you promised us? He said, what to explain? I said, okay, explain. He don't see anything, tell me. He paused me for about 5 minutes. I said, thank you. Even at this election, you say you want to conduct for Edo State. You don't so write your name down. We go see no, say yes. You don't join the group of failures where you don't look money to do what they're not supposed to do for our country. Now say I know Shema is a total failure.
Yeah, as we see, my name now, I am Egor. Maybe the Director General of this election for our party, APC, All Progressives. We come here now, make people vote. People come out with their votes. See everybody, people come out. Some don't even use time go out. Some don't go use time sit down for outside of the primary school. The election never starts, almost 11 o'clock. Material we don't see. And so the body language we say, people like say, Guru go use time enter this whole thing. I make the people they use time, they come on for the place. But we they pray, make them still bring the materials. Make every party for test their popularity. Because election are to test your popularity. Whether the people accept you, whether the people don't accept you. Local government election, that be the closest grassroots government to the people. The people want to have a feel of this election. They want to see that the election say it is transparent, say the people vote and their vote counts. Not the election where they go to do where people 10 people come, they say na 30 people come, they go in flay figures. These people welcome, so they want make they use their ICM. And as when I will campaign for our party, we go all around the 10 wards, we beg all of them, make una come out. Because if una dey fear say they will read, more na come out, but if una come out, they no go feel it. That make you say everybody welcome us. And if you see the cautiousness of the people here, you know say this kind of arrangement not be arrangement where everybody fit do with the group. So we beg them now, make God let them, make God help them, bring the materials, make them for contest their popularity for here.
Our Tori people constantly carry waka enter Egor local government area where the APC chairmanship candidate Bruno Odaro Igbinovia and the PDP chairmanship candidate Egor Ogbemudia come chook mouth on how they see the election. Egor Ogbemudia will be the immediate past chairman for the Egor Local Government Council after her vote. Come tell Tori people say the process they very okay and it sweet her belle wella.
So I just vote now, and everybody don't vote here since. So we thank God for the turnout, people will come out to vote. They still they come out more. No say as they not talk, say they not restrict movement. So many people they want to go do something for, maybe they want to go work first or go market before they go come out. And people don't they come out well. I not see how here they now. So we thank God for everything.
We are the elections are supposed to commence by 8. Actually started around some area 11:30, 12. That's the one that they brought materials to. Many units, we have 41 units in Ward 7. They refuse to put material there. And we are in Oluwa now. The materials are here. Voters turnout, yes, it's low in this particular area because the threat at unit 30, some hoodlums went to there that was shooting guns, telling people if you are not voting PDP, I don't want to see you there. We are peace-loving persons and we will behave as one.
Other Ogbonge people constitute mouth on how they see the election process.
First thing that's going to very honestly. We don't view the other parties for maybe agents for the various parties because all the parties get agents for the APC, Labour Party. The only thing anybody can do is to
as now they say, man, the whole area is very peaceful. The turnout is okay. People are still coming out, and the exercise is very peaceful. Me, I don't vote. I don't vote for the party of my own choice. So it is. I think I need to praise the SC for this very quality outing they have. What they put out today, they really try.
How I've voted, you can see it's been very peaceful. I mean, Ward 7 is the family ward. This is a new and everybody, we're all like one family. From the candidates, councillorship, chairmanship, we're all family, and everybody's coming out here to vote. You can see the crowd, people are exercising their franchise. We all recognize the fact that this is a very important election, being the local government election, with grassroots local election, the state and the local government. Thank God the weather is peaceful also. You can see very calm, and I believe it's going to be like this strong at the end of the day. We all be glad we have a peaceful election.
For all this, some of the people they happy with the election process, while some other people come talk say their belle no sweet at all, as the election process not be waiting they expect to see.
It dey pay me well, say waiting we dey see here now, show of shame. How can you imagine the government of the day where don't promise us, say this election, it go dey free, it go dey fair, it go dey credible. And at the end of the day, ESE gave us modalities. The voters are already here, the agents are already here. But now, material it never reach collation center for Ward 7.
What we dey see so now wetin me I dey call anyanya, knowing and doing. We did ESEC yesterday morning around 7. All of us, different parties, all of us did there. Before they let our material for ikpoba-Okha come out. We see this Shidobo, where our material was supposed to stay, but we for sort them out. They don't let us enter. They allow some other parties, specifically PDP, enter. They say no Labour, no APC. Go enter there. We did it until rain started to fall. We did start the rain, some more time we begin to hear gunshot. Boo, boo, boo. That's some of us come on body for that area. People sleep outside till daybreak, just to make sure say our material follow us reach our center.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, Na so we dey talk, we no dey take blame. From TMC TV studio, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.